Hey guys, my name is Jeff Rojas and I'm a commercial and editorial photographer based out of New York City. And today I'm here on behalf of B&H to introduce the new DJI Mavic Mini, one of the smallest professional grade drones on the market today. It's 249 grams. To give you the exact size of what that looks like, it fits directly inside my jacket pocket. That's how small this platform is. Don't be fooled by the size. We're getting a camera that's capable of shooting 1080 video at 60 frames a second, 2K video that shoots 30 frames a second, 30 minutes of flight time, and can be tracked by the remote up to 4 kilometers away, making it one of the most capable cameras and drones on the market today, especially if you're trying to travel light. Rather than continue talking about tech specs though, let's see this thing in action. So you got to see the quality results this is capable of taking. Again, it shoots 1080 video at 60 frames a second, 2K video at up to 30 frames a second, shoots 30 minutes of footage flight time, as well as 4 kilometers from the remote itself. So you're getting something that, again, has that professional quality and this small of a footprint. It's gonna be a lot smaller than its bigger brother, the Mavic 2, but you're getting a lot of potential for its size. Nevertheless, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of B&H's YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day. Take care.